So, okay, standard 10, welcome back. In problem set 3, question 2, 3, 4, we are going to solve standard 10. If possible, we can solve the further sums also. Question 2 in problem set. Find the fourth term of the AP. Find the fourth term from the end of the AP. From the end of the AP. Minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, and so on. And 49 is the last term. So from the end I have to find. From the end means how much? Say suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. This is the 80. From the end, which is the fourth term? This is from the end first, second, third and fourth. This is from the end. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, this is your the fourth term. So, total terms are 10. Total terms are 10. From that, the fourth term I want. So, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. From the beginning, which term it is coming that I am searching? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, from the fourth term, from the end, I want the fourth term. That doesn't mean total terms are 10 and 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6th term from the beginning. That it doesn't mean. Fourth term means we have to subtract 3, not 4. See this, 1, 2, 3, this is the fourth term from the end. Total terms are 10. So, I have subtracted 3. Then it has become the seventh term from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, if suppose you are asked 11th term from the end and there are totally 50 terms. Then what I want 11th term from end. And there are total 50 terms. So n minus 10 I will do and that will be 50 minus 11. Minus 1 means 10. So 40th term will be the 11th term from the beginning. From this you try to understand this, otherwise this is a difficult sum. So what I will do is, I will find A. Here A equal to minus 11, D equal to minus 8 minus minus 11, that is equal to minus 8 plus 11 and that is equal to 3. Now this is the last term, Tn equal to 49. So how many terms are these? First of all that I have to find. Fourth term I want, from the end I will find the fourth term. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Therefore, but the Tn is 49, so I will write 49 is equal to A is minus 11 plus n minus 1 into D is 3. Therefore, this will become plus 49 plus 11. This has become. And this into will become upon 3 here. Directly I am doing. and here it will remain n minus 1. Therefore 49 minus 1 is 50, 60 upon 3 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore this is 20. 20 and this 1 will become here plus is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 21. So these total terms are 21. Up to 49 I will go. Then this 49 will be at the place of 28th 1st term, 21st term. This 49 will be. I want from the end 4th term. 4th term from end is equal to 21 minus 3 I will do. That is equal to 18th term. So what I want the 18th term. That is the meaning of this. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is that 18th term? That I will find. T18 is equal to a is minus 11 plus n minus 1. N is how much? 18. So this will be 18 minus 1 into d. D is 3. Therefore this T18 is equal to minus 11 plus this is 17 into 3, 51. So this is equal to 0 cancel, so it is 40. P18 is equal to 40. Therefore answer you will write the 4th term from the end is 40. That answer I am leaving to you because I have to complete 3 questions. The 4th term from the end is 40. That way you will write the answer. I am rubbing this. Now I will go for the 3rd question. The 3rd question is in an AP 10 term is question 3. In an AP 10th term is 46, means T10 is equal to 46. The sum of 5th term plus 7th term is equal to 52. Find AP. This is our question. So here what I want is, I want to find the AP. So T10 is equal to 46. 5th term plus 7th term is equal to 52. So I will write Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Initially you have to write, let the first term equal to a, common difference is equal to d. Therefore Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here it is T10 equal to a plus 10 minus 1 into d. But this T10 is 46. So a plus this is 90. 90 is equal to this is 46. This is number 1. So 5th term plus 7th term. So 5th term is T5 plus T7 is equal to 52. T7 is a plus T5 is a plus 5 minus 1 into d plus this I will put the bracket for T5. This is a plus 7 minus 1 into d. This is T7 is equal to 52. Therefore this is a plus 4d plus a plus 6d is equal to 52. Therefore, a plus a is 2a, 4d plus 6d is 10d is equal to 52. I can divide by 2. Therefore, a plus 5d is equal to 26. This is number 2. Now these are the simultaneous equation. I can subtract this and this. Equation 1 minus equation 2 I will do. Equation 1 is a plus 9d is equal to 46. This is your number 1 equation. Second equation is a plus 5d is equal to 26. This is number 2. I am subtracting, so I will give the minus sign here. This is plus, it will become minus. This is plus, it will become minus. This is plus, it will become minus. That is equal to 6 minus 6, 0. And this will be 2. This a cut. And this is 9d minus 5d will be 4d. Therefore, d is equal to 20 upon 4, that is equal to 5. This is your one requirement, d you have got. Now take any one equation and put this value d. Now, what is that now? A plus 5d is equal to 26, equation number 2. Therefore, a plus 5 into d is 5 is equal to 26. Put d equal to 5. Therefore, a equal to 5 5 are 25. So 26 minus 25. Therefore, a is equal to 1. This is also one of the answers. Now what they want? Find the AP. So T1 is equal to, T1 means A is 1, D is equal to 5, T2 is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, T3 equal to, add this common difference, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, T4 equal to 11 plus 5, this difference you go on adding, that is equal to 16. Thus, the AP is 1, 6, 11, 16 and so on. This will be your answer. Hope that you have understood this. So now, बंद करो. Now we go for the next question. Third we have done. Let us complete the fourth and if possible the next one also. Fourth question. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP. Find the sum of, means first 10 terms means S10 I have to find. Find the sum of first 10 terms means S10 of AP whose fourth term is, means T4 is minus 15 and the ninth term is, means T9 is minus 30. So this question also on the same grounds I will solve. For Sn, what is the formula that we have to first find? Don't forget that in the examination, first of all you write your formulae, so that for formulae you will get the mark. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, S10 equal to 10 upon 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. First of all, always remember this. Let first term equal to a and common difference equal to d. From this you have to begin the question. Therefore, S10 equal to, this will be 5 into bracket 2a plus this will be 9d. This is your number 1. Suppose I have half mark for the formula. So from here I will get half mark. And if I am failing in mathematics, here I will get half mark. So 1 mark I may get. Another formula I have to write to ensure that 1 mark I will get. Again, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, this is T4. T4 equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d. Therefore, T4 is how much? 15 minus 15. So, a plus this is 3d equal to minus 15. This is your number 2. And the T9, similarly, this is similarly. Similarly, what I know? T9 equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, T9 is how much? Minus 30. So here I will write minus 9. T9 I am writing, n value I will be writing 9. 9 minus 1 is 8d. 8d plus a is equal to T19 is minus 30. This is equation number 3. Now I will solve these two equations. How I will solve this? Which is bigger? This is bigger. So I will subtract this equation from this equation. Subtract equation 2 from equation 3, or you can say equation 3 minus equation 2. Then I will solve it here, remaining things. Therefore, equation 3 is 8d. A plus 8d I will write. So this will be better. A plus 8d. A plus 8d. A plus 8d is equal to minus 30. Minus 30. This is equation number 3 I have written. Then second equation, a plus 3d is equal to minus 15. This is equation number 2. I am subtracting, so I will put the minus sign. This will become minus, this will become minus, and this will become plus. Don't forget this. So this will be plus 15 minus 30, the answer will be minus 15, bigger number sign. This will get cancelled. 8 minus 3 will be 5d. Therefore, d is equal to minus 15 upon 5, that is equal to, I will write, okay, minus 15 upon 5, that is equal to minus 3. This is your one answer. Now you want a. Here I have to substitute the value, then S10 I can find. Here how I can find? I will take the smaller equation. Now, a plus 3d is equal to minus 15. This is equation number 2. Therefore, a plus 3 into d value is minus 3 is equal to minus 15. I will write here, put d equal to minus 3. Therefore, this is a minus 9 is equal to minus 15. This will go there, and therefore a is equal to minus 15 plus 9. Therefore, a is equal to minus 6. So this is also our answer. The examiner should find your solutions very precisely, very accurately, so that he should not go on searching here and there. That should be the way of writing. Now, I want Sn. S10 is equal to, what is that? 5 into bracket 2a plus 9d from 1. Therefore, S10 equal to 5 into 2 into a is how much? I have to put the square bracket because a is negative. A is minus 6. Here I am substituting. Plus 9 into d is how much? D is minus 3. So minus 3. That is equal to 5 into, this will be minus 12. This will be minus 27. This is equal to 5 into minus 31, 41. Take this, 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. And 2 plus 1 will be 3, minus 39. Have you understood this? So that is equal to, now this will be minus 9 5s are 45, carry 4, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4, 19 minus 195. So that is your sum. So this was asked in the question. So I think this is all in this video. In the next video I will solve the remaining questions. So question number 2, 3, 4. So only my request is, don't waste your time. Don't waste your time searching here and there. You continuously go on Mathematics Genius Online. Subscribe the channel, grow the channel, and so that I can get the encouragement to work for you. I am not interested in the money. I am not doing this for money part. I am interested in doing this for my students, beloved students of Maharashtra, to state board, so that they will get the quality videos. No shining, nothing we will do. We will just go on doing it very properly, and you will score. Now I have told you that one of my students got 97.6%, and she got 98 marks in maths. And 150 marks in 100 out of 100 in mathematics. So in all the subjects she scored about 90. So hope that at least I am doing now videos on mathematics. You should also score 100 out of 100 in maths. Don't forget this. Okay. So I am taking each and every question. Hope that you will also get 100 out of 100 like my student. Okay.